Assalamu alaikum by the grace of Allah. So today we will doing the Python Selenium. We started our course the Python Selenium. So today we will see the practical session. So I have some tasks. So we will doing the task. Okay. So first of all, the task is that we will go on this website on this link. So this is I will show this website to you. So this is our website. Sorry. So here we find the total rows and also columns. Okay. So on this table we will find the total rows and columns. Okay. So this is our first task. So how we can find the total rows and column of only this table. Okay. So we will see. So first of all, uh, we will see the rows. So we will inspect. You will see that when I click on this link, so this is our first link, and you will see this is our second link, and this is our third link, fourth and fifth. Okay, and after that, if you wanna uh, rows, so the rows is like this is our uh, first row is I think this is our first row tr is the rows. Okay, so you will see TR is the rows. So this is our second row, third, fourth. Okay. So we will copy the X path. Mm, so this is our TR. Okay. We'll copy the TR X path here and we will go in the PyCharm and here we will declare the variable rows data is equal to driver dot find elements. So here we use elements, okay, because there are many things, so that's why we will use here the elements. Okay, so here we paste the uh, x path. So here we will remove this because there are many TRs, like you will see in the website, like this is the first and this is the second, third, fourth. Okay, so we will declare the whole. So when we will remove this, so it will declare the all the tr tags, so how many rows are present here. Okay, and after that we will declare the total rows, and here we use the length function. We will see in the previous video that if we want any that in the previous videos that we will see that if I wanna uh, take the output, like if I wanna output that how many links are present, so we will also use the length function. So here we will also use the length function. So in the length function, we will call the rows data, and here we will print the total rows. Okay. So we will run our script and we'll see what is the output. So how many rows are present. Okay. So we will see. So it takes a little bit time. It open our website browser and after that open the website. So we will see the output. Okay, so it will give the output like 15. So we will count that how many rows are present. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so this is our rows output, and after that we will also count the total column. So here we will inspect on the batting, and here we will see this is the th tag, and after that, okay, so this is, we will copy here the th tag. Okay, we will copy the x path on the th tag, and after that we will also we will remove this, and after that this is our columns data is equal to driver dot find elements. Here we will also use the elements. After that we will use the by dot x path and copy here the x path, and here we will also remove the one because it will declare the all the th tag. Okay, so it will print the all th tag, and here we will also total column declare use the length function, so it will give the output, and it will also give the output like how many columns and rows are present. Okay, so here we will add the column data, and after that we will print both the total rows are comma total rows. Okay, and after that, okay, after so comma, we use comma here, the total columns are total columns. Okay. Okay, and here we will add some time, so like 2 seconds. So so it will handle automatically time, so that why anytime if we not add the time, so like sometime sometime it will give the error because of the lagging network issue, so that's why we will use the time. Okay, and after that we'll also use time here, time sleep 2 seconds, and after driver dot quit the browser. Okay, so we will run our script and we will check the output. Okay, so here we run our script and we will see what is the output. So you will see there are total rows are 15 and the total columns are 5. Okay. The second task is that how many, we also use the for loops. So we will see what is our second task. So the second task is, okay. So second task is we also use the for loop here. So the for loop like that, we will also use the for loop here. So like for loop for uh, I in rows data. Okay, print I dot text. Okay, so we will also use the for loop here. So it will give the output of the rows. Okay, we will see. Okay, so we will see it will open our browser, and after that you will see it will open our website. You will see it will give the all output of the rows. You will see. So we will go in the our browser. So you will see it will give all the matches 24, all the output of the rows. Okay. So by that you use the for loop to it will give the output when we use the for loop. So this is our two tasks we will doing in this video, and in the next video we will also doing another task. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.